So here's Hula app AI video generator, headshots and realistic portrait. One of the most trending photo and video AI generators right now. Really cool app. It always has the most trendy filters as soon as possible. So yeah, you can just create avatars, viral video for reels, photo to video transformations, video to video remixes and stickers. Hula app is your ultimate playground for AI powered art. With Hula, you can regenerate your image in any style. It's all about self-expression. So bring your photos to life, turn your selfies into viral videos, baby generator, stickers of yourself for chats, transform yourself with AI, anime, and cartoon looks, make your photos time travel. So then yeah, you can just open it up, and here you have it, AI art generator, and yeah, you have a lot of filters. So you see all anime filters, Ghibli style graphics, anime 90s anime image to video sensation packs. There are a lot of AI packs which you can try to use. Any photo to video, AI video action sensation albums, stickers. Then you can also generate AI stickers. This is a separate tab. And then you also have like different packs which you can buy a bit cheaper. Unfortunately, all of it is locked under pro subscriptions. There is no free trial, and you really need to upgrade to use this app. So weekly, $10 per week, yearly, just $40 per year, which you can just use like that, and that's it. And then there is also like AI video, which you can generate. So images to video, action videos, hairstyle, interaction for two, parenting, anime video styles. So for example, if I wanna generate a video, you can then just go and generate a video from it. Unfortunately, you need to upgrade. So you have photos. So for example, if I just select a random image, and then if I try to generate, yeah, it just asked me to upgrade. So please like this video. If this video has enough likes, then I will just create a paid account. I will upgrade and show you the full tutorial of the video with paid account, because as you can see, it's a required subscription. There are no referral codes, there are no promo codes, no invites. That's where you have it, and that's basically the idea. So the only option to use it is just to upgrade to Hula Pro, and that's what it is, where you can just start the purchase. $40 per year, still quite a good price, to be honest. So still quite a good price. $10 per week, I mean, and $40 per year. I don't know whether you're getting like unlimited credits, or there are still like 100 credits, or how many photos you can generate with a pro subscription, but there you have it.